Papercraft Essentials magazine, issue 174 is here, and it has some very, very fun things in it. The magazine, of course, is going to give you lots of ideas, but if you're focusing in here and you happen to remember Wallace and Gromit, they are also included in the freebies this month. So let me show you. First of all, there are stamps. There are 17 clear stamps featuring the Wallace and Gromit characters. So if that rings a bell, they're just very fun. Happy birthday, nice. Have a grand Kraken birthday. Grand Kraken Day. Genuine Wallace and Gromit, and cheesy is another with some cheese right there. So, and then surprise, surprise, there are foiled die cuts. That's right. There are 37 foiled die cuts. I wonder if our friends at Hunky Dory had something to do here. And you can see them. There's also Happy Father's Day, Happy Birthday, just for you. Enjoy your day. Really fun. So that's one sheet. Here is another. Crackers about cheese. Gromit, Silly-O Pooch. There you go. And then another. And we're not done. There are more. They're all foiled. Very fun. They're also really nice size. And then this one. So in addition to all of the 37 foiled, there are 10 papers. Now these are A4 size, and let me just fan through these. They are single-sided. They are on a gloss paper, and so if you decide to stamp on them, you'll want to use a StazOn or Watermark ink pad. So there's Wallace, Inventing for Britain, and some kind of generic papers. Tea, Put the Kettle On, and another, and then this one, and that. Okay, so that's the 10 papers, and the foil die cuts, and all of those stamps, 17 stamps, included in the magazine. So let's see what else is in the magazine. So first of all, you're going to see lots of ideas for using those die cuts, those stamps, and those papers together. So just really fun way to use them. And I will tell you, Teresa, who does our Sunday webisode, she is a huge Wallace and Gromit fan, so I'm certainly going to get one of these and send it to her. Easy Does It is the title of these cards. Crackin' job, old chum. Just very fun. Have a crackin' day with Happy Birthday. And more right there. Very, very fun. And then we also have more uses for this, and you can see using the stamps, using the die cuts, always fun to do. And this is talking about faux layered die cutting. Now, layered die cuts and triple layer, double layer are really very popular and very beautiful. And this is going to give you some ideas to create your own. And it does have to do with offsetting those dies. So we're going to get in close to this one. Thank you, Houston. And you can see that it has been layered 3 times. There's a purple, a white, and a gold layer, just slightly, ever so slightly offset. It works beautifully. So that's going to be explored in this article, and I really appreciate seeing that. Then there's also some step-by-step instructions going on. So it's not as much that do you have this specific die, but how you can adapt it to those that you already have, and that's really nice to see. There's also more projects and going into just some fun things, covering a can to hold pencils or making a bookmark. Just really fun to do. This is a gift bag right here, and step by step how to make that bag. Really nice to see. So lots of ideas included with Wallace and Gromit. You will have your heart's desire will be all taken care of with all of those foiled die cuts, papers, and stamps, and lots of creativity going on in Papercraft Essentials, issue 174 from our friends at Practical Publishing, and only available here at paperwishes.com.